Okay, so this is Backlog Grooming on Monday, May 4th, 2015. This is the last day of Chad's vacation, and it's just Dilip and Eric here in the room. We tried to get WebEx going, but it's an awesome program because every time I went to join, it kicked me out, so we were unable to get into there. And I talked to a couple of other teams here in Seattle who have teams in Pune and other places in India who record the WebEx videos and then send them via WebEx to the team over there, and they have absolutely no problems viewing the videos. So if you guys are unable to view that WebEx video, something else is wrong, but you might want to talk to maybe somebody in the GM Canada team who is able to see the video that are sent to them just fine. But other than that, we don't have anything else. So I don't know who's the, I think it's Biswadeep is the Scrum Master this week. Right. But I guess we'll go through the board. We really don't have a plan for this next sprint other than offers. Offers is ongoing.
What about this? We are starting LOE, this right? It's a recent parts, right?
Well, we got the LOE was approved, right? So
Yes.
we got to get stories out from that, but we haven't heard anything from Ritesh or anybody on what to even do. So
Okay.
I haven't seen, because there were some questions on taking numbers out and adjusting numbers here and there, and the team in Pune did that last night.
Okay.
So, okay, so we'll start here with program supports. So I had a story here right off the bat is to allow all levels of users to see widgets, and that is in the branch now. So I'll move that up to branch because I checked it in last week. And then Dilip, you have this one, engagement map review with. Actually, that's Ritesh, not you. Did you review it with yourself? That's what it says.
I think this is Radhika's story.
Oh, okay.
See, all this week I am submitting leads.
Oh, yeah. So is this done or?
Yeah,
is
no,
it
it'll,
still good?
I don't know. You should move to backlog. I think at least a couple of sprints.
Okay. All right, so then we'll move down to the next section, the bug fix maintenance. This is Root's story on making new navigation option and link selector specific to image flex because it was showing up in the FIR, so he's moving forward on that. Oh, that reminds me, I got to put the release vehicle on this. Okay, and then the other story is research Lexus error log.
Yeah, I will finish it this sprint.
Okay, cool. Next one down is the department info widget enhancement. Looks like Sandesh, you're working on these. Then notice this one is in the sprint, and hopefully these will both get done before the end of the sprint. That would be good. Next one down is ad hoc, and this is research potential issue with cross-site scripting and LCPO.
I think Ritesh did something and he asked Biswadeep to come up with it. I think you should go to Biswadeep, I guess.
Oh, okay. So hopefully Biswadeep knows about this.
We will talk this today's stand-up.
Okay. Cool. Next one down is a story Root's working on is loop video widget improvements. Making it looks like he's moving our customizations to customizations folder and putting everything else as core. So that's good. 14 hours. Hopefully we have enough time in the sprint. Next one down I have is the under program support is intentful widget verify the reviews widget, and so I've been trying to figure out how to get the reviews widget to display on dealer sites, and I finally got an email over to Alex Rose who sent it over to somebody else who told me that it has to have a product code on in order to show this. So, and I asked him how do I turn that on for a dealer, and that's where it's ended. So I'm moving forward slowly on this, and if anything, I will close this out before the end of the sprint, regardless. So and then it moves to offers. Let's refresh the board here.
Yeah. So I just am done with this 6219.
Cool.
I will check in the code by tonight.
Okay.
So that Neeraj should integrate his code.
Okay. And that looks like
When I am blocked.
yeah.
And then I'm helping Neeraj to work on 6142 story.
Okay.
So probably I will answer his questions tonight if he has anything. Then caching 6148.
Yep.
Probably I'm thinking once 6140 is done, probably 6148 it will automatically the core product code, right? It will take care. So
Okay.
it will
Cool.
Give the caching. I don't think we need to do anything.
Cool.
I think 6153. I believe Neeraj is working it.
Okay.
Okay, this one I will ask him. If not, I will take up 6139.
Okay. And the last one in this sprint is 6135 to validate.
Just as with this manual QA testing, once
Okay.
this everything is ready. But
Should it be next week or this one?
yeah, but we am blocked, right? Actually, even though the generic offer XML is created, since the models are not available, we cannot test this one. We need to wait until everything because this story is to come verify everything is done, right? We cannot verify twice before when it is partially done.
Okay.
So we should wait it for it.
Okay.
Okay, release support.
Yep. Release support.
Tomorrow I'll be doing it.
Okay.
Probably I need your help tomorrow morning.
Yeah. So it is tomorrow, right? Tomorrow and okay.
Q3.
Yep. QA3 tomorrow. It's all in that doc.
Okay.
It's really easy.
Okay.
Just run a few tests and do
Sure.
some manual things. Done. Cool.
And go to backlog. I have created 2 stories.
Okay. We'll go over to backlog now. Oops. I'm gonna get this sprint out of the way. So we have backlog. So it looks like you had adding external source ID is Lexis.
Yeah.
In
this
database?
New story added.
Okay.
Giving it ours.
Do we want to make a new sprint?
Yeah, it will be new sprint.
So let's make a new one. I'll make a new one and I'll call it 05. 05. I don't like this. 055. 0505.
No, it's not 5, right? 6, right?
Well, the 4th
May 6th, right? We are starting on Wednesday.
Wednesday, which would be the other one ends on the 4th. Is that not right?
Okay, so why? I mean, still a day left, right? Why should we end with 4?
Yeah, this
I
should
believe
be
should be five,
5.
right?
Yeah. So this one
start
should be
with
6. Yeah.
6 to 12.
Okay. Just slash in there. Okay, cool. I'm going to edit this one then to be 6th to the 5th.
Yeah.
Okay.
We should edit 30th. When we start? April 29. Yeah, that's correct.
Okay, so they got a new sprint. So we're going to put this external source ID as Lexis in the next.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I created one story without epic. What is that?
Change leave submission encoding standard and verified.
Yep.
Is that the LDA offers?
No, that is goes to bug fixing. I don't see any epic for that.
Oh, here it's you just do it like this. Epic, and then go bug fix, and then Lexis at the bottom.
Okay, sure.
So update. Does that need to go on next week's?
Ideally, should go tomorrow if they have bandwidth. I don't have bandwidth tomorrow,
Oh, okay.
so I will ask Bisudeep or Neeraj.
Okay. So if anybody could check out PSLX 6224, that'd be great.
Because unless we do it, we need to resubmit the everything. All leads fail, right? It's like 1 hour work daily.
Yeah. So that's that ISO, what is it,
Yeah, yeah.
8859 or
Yeah.
something? Okay. Cool. So then we have the story for create LOE for CPO page video widget enhancement. Barbara opened this and put it in the top of our backlog. She opened this because she's taking the work for Chad while he's gone. But this is not a huge task, and it is a task that needs to be done, but it's not huge, so we could probably do it agile like we've done before. So we can talk to Chad about this tomorrow when he comes back, or even on Wednesday, but I'm going to move it into the backlog or into the next sprint, just so Barbara can see it. move into that one. Okay, so next one down is release HTML5 video widget into widget filter. And I think there was a question here from Root. Available for all pages and layouts. I think if they don't specify or if they don't respond, I think that is the case. It's available just generally anywhere. So yeah, we'll wait for a response from them, but we'll move that up into next week's sprint as well. Next one down is quick links multiple tab issue. This was that bizarre issue we were having on the CPO story page. Yeah, we could move it up, but I don't know if we're going to have time to work on it with the LOE that's coming, with the stories coming from the LOE. So I'll leave it out. Actually, I'm going to move it down after offers here. And all this stuff. Put it down, technical tab. There we go. Okay, so the next chunk of stories are offer stories. Is there any that you want to pull up at all? Or?
I think one or two will come. Let's see tomorrow.
Okay. And then we have just our regular stories that have been building up down here and getting knocked out here and there. I should say building up. They've been slowly whittling them away. And some of them have been getting worked on because it's been kind of front end slow. Okay. So for instance, I've been working on all these implement lazy loading and responsive images for these widgets. I went and looked, and most of them already have lazy loading, so we just got to add responsive images to them. And so I might grab those today or tomorrow and just finish them out. We have some other stories, but I don't want to grab anything front end wise because I know we're gonna have to do these service and parts page. Mm-hmm. So I think we should leave it as is for now, and then just let Chad look at it tomorrow, okay, on top of everything else he's going to look at tomorrow. Yeah. Yay, he's back.
He's back to Seattle? Or?
Yeah, he might be back already, but it's a big... I'm sure he might be back and sleeping. But his calendar shows, and today is the last day. He'll be back tomorrow, so okay. I think. Let's look. So if I go... Oh, let's go month. Here we go. Chad vacation ends right there. So he'll be back on Tuesday. I bet Barbara and Jennifer are happy about that. Okay. Anything else?
Chad should fight with Lexus to get my models list.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm surprised he didn't get it from Ritesh. All right. So I'll end the recording. Thanks everybody for